Here's a podcast.ph quotable statement.
Welcome to the 80th episode of Martin's Man Cave here on podcast.ph. Our guest is retired Brigadier General Victor Corpus.
Oh, ikaw nang bahalang mag-edit, no? Kasi this is history eh.
Under the bridge na yun.
And you cannot hide from history. Ang nangyari dyan, gusto nating get back
Sabah.
Mm-hmm. Nag-organize itong Jabida na mga Muslims,
Mga tausog.
mm-hmm. Headed by mga PMA, mostly mga PMA Special Forces, trained.
Mga kasamahan mo.
Yeah. Kasama ko doon sa Special Forces. Buti na lang hindi ako napasama.
Iba yung nautos.
Ang plano nila is to infiltrate Sabah. They commit atrocities in Sabah. The Muslim participants were revolted with what they were doing to their fellow Muslims. Some of them wanted out. Isang classmate ni Abdillah, kinampihan yung mga Muslim. So, pati siya, pinatay.
You've just listened to a quotable statement from podcast.ph.